So I wanted to share something about. I wanted to share an experience I had with a client the other day, and I wanted to let y'all know that surveillance camera systems, for the most part, are not set and forget. And the reason I say that is because I had a client, and they have cameras at the front entrance of their neighborhood on a pole. And there's a whole system at that pole inside of an enclosure with a DVR, internet, everything. So they can see the cameras on their phones, and they can check the cameras daily to see what's going on. And everything's being recorded 24 hours a day. The problem is the other day the internet went down, and they don't really have someone dedicated to be checking those cameras daily to make sure that they're up and running. Because if power goes out, if the internet goes down, sometimes there's a thunderstorm, you'll get lightning, could knock out the internet, knock out power, or even knock out a camera. And so unless you're checking those cameras daily on your phone or computer, you won't know that they're down. And so if something happens during that time, you're not going to have any recorded footage of that incident, which is really bad. And I've been in a situation where I've had to tell a client that unfortunately the cameras weren't working at the time that you needed them to be. And unfortunately, I don't have any footage to give to the police department for your case. So recently, in the past year or two, we've had a revolution in camera surveillance, and it's called health monitoring. And what that does is it allows the camera system to send all the health monitoring to my monitoring service, basically letting us know that the camera system is working, has power, has internet, each camera is recording and working. And if anything goes down, I'll know up to the minute if something goes down, if the internet goes out or the power goes out. And then in turn, I can act upon that quickly and get it resolved so that the camera system is up and running 99% of the time. Because if you're going to pay a lot of money to have a system installed, the most important thing is that it works when you need it. So I had to tell the client that, yeah, unfortunately it wasn't working, and I informed them that we have the monitoring, and they're all for getting that monitoring so that this doesn't happen again, and so that they can live their lives free of worry and have peace of mind knowing that that system's going to be up and running for 99% of the time. And they don't have to dedicate someone to be checking those cameras daily, because people have lives, and if they're not getting paid to be security guard, then there's no reason for that to be happening. So I just wanted to share that with you guys to let you know we do offer that now, and it's a revolution in surveillance. It's changing everything. So have a great day, guys. Good to speak with you and spend some time. I appreciate you guys spending your time and listening to me. Also, let me know what you guys think about the health monitoring. Let me know in the comments how y'all feel about the surveillance cameras and having them being monitored. I'd like to know what your opinion is. And have a good one. Take it easy, guys.